Welcome back to my channel Spice of Life. Today we are making a delicious and healthy Besan Chilla Sabzi in mustard paste, a unique Bihari-style curry that combines crispy gram flour pancake with a tangy, flavorful mustard gravy. Let's get started with the ingredient and step-by-step cooking. I have taken 2 tablespoons of black mustard seeds, 1.5 tablespoon coriander seeds, half tablespoon jeera, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, garlic 8 to 10 pods, red chilies 2 to 3. Grind it and make a fine paste. In a pan, add mustard oil. Let the oil heat. Add fenugreek seeds and mustard paste we prepared. Saute for 2-3 minutes. Add turmeric powder, salt, saute again. And now I'm adding Kashmiri lal mirch powder for the nice color. In a bowl, I have taken 1 cup of gram flour, that is besan. Add basic spices, turmeric, garam masala, Kashmiri lal mirch, salt, and make a lump-free batter by adding water. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Now add tomatoes in the mustard paste. This will remove the bitter taste of the mustard. Saute for 2-3 minutes. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now grease the pan with the ghee. Pour the chilla batter and now we'll make the crispy chillas. So the masala is done here and it's properly cooked. We'll add the water as per the gravy required. This recipe is perfect if you're looking for a protein-rich vegetarian dish that's easy to make and full of authentic Indian flavors. We started by preparing a traditional mustard seed paste just like it's done in Bihar homes. Then we'll make simple besan chillas, and finally we will cook everything together to create a mouth-watering sabji that's perfect with rice or roti. gravy is perfectly boiled. Now it's time to add the besan chillas. We cut it into thin slices and now I'm adding it in the gravy. Wait for 2-3 minutes. Let the chillas soak in the gravy, and after that we'll garnish it with coriander, fresh coriander. Now it's time to serve the Besan Chilla Sabzi. That's it. Your Besan Chilla Sabzi is ready and you can serve it with rice and roti. If you try this recipe, drop a comment, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Indian recipes. Thank you for watching.